How to reinstall Windows Security in Windows 11. So for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and open with Windows. And then from here, I'm just going to go ahead and type System Component Settings. All right, this one right here. I'm going to click this one. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and we're going to look for Windows Security. I'm going to click this three dots here. Click Advanced Options, and then if I were to scroll down, you have here Reset, and then you have Repair here as well. So first things first, let's go ahead and reset this one. I'm going to click this. All right, as you can see, it's done with a check. I'm going to go ahead and repair it as well. Okay, there you go. And then after doing that, we're also going to go ahead and open Windows PowerShell. We're going to right click it and run it as an administrator. Take note that running it as an administrator is one of the crucial steps. After doing so, we're going to go ahead and copy this command right here, which I'm going to put in the description. I'm going to paste it and hit enter. You can see that now we're seeing like this, meaning it's done, so I can just go ahead and close this one. Now from this point forward, I want you to go ahead and try to check your Windows security, but if that doesn't work, then go ahead and open Microsoft Store. So in the Microsoft Store, you're going to go ahead and look for Windows Security here. So I'm going to type it here in the search bar, Windows Security, just like so, hit enter, and then you should be able to see here the Windows Defender. Now from here, I'm just going to go ahead and click this one and basically click the option that says Get. Okay, it seems like it is done, everybody. That is how you are going to reinstall Windows Security in Windows 11.